Celebration, Florida, is loved for its charming homes, tree-lined streets, and community-focused design. But as any local homeowner knows, the Florida climate can be tough on houses. High humidity, frequent rain, and hot summers put extra stress on home materials, especially doors. If doors aren't properly installed, they can quickly warp, swell, or lose efficiency, leading to higher costs and reduced comfort. Here's why proper door installation is so important in Celebration's humid climate, and how it benefits your home long-term. Humidity and its impact on doors. Florida's year-round humidity doesn't just make the air sticky, it affects the materials in your home. Wood swelling and warping. Wooden doors naturally absorb moisture, which can cause them to expand and become difficult to open or close. Metal corrosion. Steel doors are strong, but if not sealed correctly, moisture can lead to rust over time. Frame damage. Moisture that seeps into gaps around the frame can weaken it and create entry points for pests. Proper installation ensures the door fits tightly and seals completely, reducing the effects of Celebration's humid environment. Energy efficiency and indoor comfort. One of the biggest homeowner concerns in Celebration is keeping cooling costs under control. With long summers and heavy humidity, air conditioners work hard. A poorly installed door allows air leaks that make your HVAC system less efficient. Tight seals prevent cool indoor air from escaping and humid outdoor air from entering. Insulated doors with professional installation reduce drafts and hot spots. Lower utility bills are possible when your home is properly sealed against the elements. Proper installation means your home stays cooler and more comfortable while saving you money. Protection against moisture damage in a humid climate. It's not just about energy efficiency. Moisture can cause real damage if left unchecked. Mold and mildew growth. Even small gaps around doors can allow moisture inside, creating conditions for mold. Rotting frames. Wooden frames are especially vulnerable to long-term exposure. Stains and warping. Water damage can discolor doors and trim, reducing curb appeal. By sealing every edge during installation, professionals protect your home from costly moisture-related repairs. Security and peace of mind. A door that doesn't close or latch properly isn't just inconvenient, it can compromise your family's safety. In Celebration's climate, swelling and shifting doors are a common problem when they're poorly installed. Reinforced locks only work when doors are properly aligned. Snug frames resist forced entry better than loose or misaligned ones. Long-term reliability ensures your door continues to function even during seasonal weather shifts. With expert installation, you can count on your doors to keep your home secure. Enhancing curb appeal and value. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A warped, faded, or misaligned door reduces curb appeal. Professional installation ensures your investment looks as good as it performs. Crisp alignment and clean lines improve the home's exterior look. Durable finishes stay attractive longer when doors are properly fitted and sealed. Resale value increases when buyers see energy-efficient, well-installed doors ready to handle Celebration's climate. Proper installation isn't just functional, it enhances the beauty of your home too. Why professional installation is the best choice. While DIY installation may seem appealing, Florida's climate demands expertise. Local professionals understand how heat and humidity affect materials and use proven methods to ensure long-lasting results. Correct measurements eliminate gaps and uneven frames. Advanced sealing techniques keep out moisture and pests. Warranty protection often requires professional installation to remain valid. Investing in professional service ensures your doors perform their best for years to come. Final thoughts for Celebration homeowners. Doors aren't just decorative, they're a vital barrier against humidity, heat, and storms. Proper door installation ensures energy efficiency, protects against moisture damage, and enhances security, all while boosting curb appeal. If your doors are sticking, drafty, or showing signs of moisture damage, it may be time for an upgrade. With expert installation, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, efficient, and secure home, built to withstand Celebration's unique climate.